Last 5 minutes, fourth quarter. We have a 24-hour shot clock.
Oo nga, okay na. Sponsor natin.
Quick shout out from our sponsors before everything else. Taco Boys, Frederickson, Glycol Lowry with EXP Realty, Viacom Kitchen, H1 Mortgage Halifax, Asamero Property, and Equipment Rental. Thank you for supporting the league. Dyson, what's your number? 438. Can we just do 38? Okay, we'll do 38. Okay, we'll do 38, okay? And we would like to thank you, hindi na natin makasama sa committee table. Parang dami, ano ba mga position mo sa rin natin? Overtime pa lang ito, Thank you sa prediction, parang dami, sa 49 team, product USP, Sharp Tito, and 49.
You're out.
Let's go! First 5, good luck to both teams, good luck, gentlemen. Let's keep the game clean, fun, and free from any injuries, guys. Take care of yourself.
Probably still there.
Dahil nakalaban nyo na lahat, no? Oo.
Let's go! Good luck to both teams. Oh yeah, remember, take off your bling bling, guys. Take off your bling bling.
Just in case.
Keep your bling bling. Keep your bling bling or give it to me.
Wala talaga. Sorry, record na lang.
Guys, your bling bling, guys, ha? Careful, bling bling.
Kids. Actually, somebody's ears get pulled off.
Good.
Let's go! And we're on Troy with a quick 2 with Troy. Oh, just a reminder, the scoreboard. Our black team home, white team guest. Black team home. Number 8. No good. Oh, number 8 got his own shot. Jackson, no good. The rebound is by number 5, Kenny. Roshan, mother. Careful, guys. Kenny.
Birthday ngayon, Roshan. Birthday.
Oh, lagi yan ito. Boom, with the wear hit. Wait, boom, with the new haircut. New haircut and new shoes. personal, George.
Kasot din yan.
Oh, missed by Daniel. 7-0. White team haven't hit the basket yet. Not. To John. John, not again. Open three. Point shot. First basket of the game for the white team. 3-5. Roy. Sino ba?
Wala.
No ba? Ayan. Daniel attacking. Daniel on the ball. They won again. Oh, no basket. Sorry guys, no basket. Foul before the basket. George, second personal, George, second personal, second team foul, team fight. Boyd, to Jackson almost lost it. Jackson attacking. Jackson! First round for the Warriors, guys. George, guarded by Boyd. To John. George! No, for the weak first basket. Boyd, guarded by,
White 0.
First personal, ball, 13 foul, white team. Boyd to Daniel. Daniel attacking, Daniel in the step. To Jackson. Oh, lost it! Nice, steal by Lenny, number 5. Ball, almost lost it. Not to the face. To John, heavy minded. John lost it. Oh, what the fuck, I'm going to kick out. Not to the face, nothing. Five. Jackson attacking, Jackson on the way. Jackson going strong. Oh, Daniel. Oh my God. 3-point lead, black team. The Raiders, Boyd, Jackson, guarded by Lenny. Kenny. Jackson almost lost it, kick out to Troy attacking. Troy, no good. Kenny with the rebound. Substitution go in front of the comedy table to the recognition team, guys. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Daniel, guarded by George. Daniel going strong. Oh, Daniel. Getting the rebound. Whoa. Oh my God, what a shot. Whoa, great shot. 1-point lead. River City Raiders. Boyd attacking. Oh, out of bounds. And the ball will go to the white team. Oh, is that foul? Sorry. 28, not first personal, warning for penalty, white team, warning for penalty. Troy, left wide open, Troy! No good. Oh, Troy got it. Daniel crossing! Oh my God, Daniel! Like no defense by Daniel. No foul. Jackson! Sino yung foul? Who's foul? Kenny, first personal foul. White team already on penalty. Jackson, possible 3-point play. George with the rebound. Boom, boom, and a foul.
Black one.
Troy, first person out, first team out.
Look.
First team out. George to John Barrett inside. Not, no good. Not to the pit, no good. Getting up to Troy. Troy with the finish. Another basket by Troy. 7-13. Not. Kenny. Back to not. Okay. Not. Kenny all the way. Kenny. First shot for the ball. Kenny. Jackson, quick release. Jackson again. Somebody guard this guy. Ball, and a foul. Wait. Don't substitution. Go here. Put the referee to see you. Go in front of the referee table. Go to the referee team. One back field. Team number 1. Troy, second person out. Troy, second team now. With less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Ball. One of first free throw. Oh, in the red list, one of two on the free throw line. The ball. Jackson, great pass. Kenny got it. George, I think I got it. George.
Black 7.
Danger, first person out, 13 fouls.
Draw.
George for 2.
Son.
Yes, sir. What a team of a video line by George. 5 points lead now, River City Raiders. Oh, that's wide open, Boys to Mark. Boys for Mark for basketball.
Last 2 minutes.
Boys, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Blackwood. Boys. And a turnover.
Side ball!
George! Darwin! Late shot by Darwin! 2-point lead! The River City Raiders!
2026 Taco Boys Winter to Spring Basketball League.
Presented by
Taco Boys, official title sponsor. Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco Boys. Taco Boys is the flavor, the energy, every win tastes better.
Presenting the 2026 FBL Winter Spring League Season 7 sponsors, we want to give a huge thank you to our incredible silver sponsors who make this season.
White team, staying close behind. May possibility ba pag overtime play parang magiging yung position mo. Overtime. Boom. Driving by Price. He goes to Kenny. Kenny. To Russell. Happy birthday, Russell. Russell. George. No good. And the ball goes. That's good. Russell, happy birthday. Yes, sir. Boys. Guarded by a ball. In a screen from Aaron. To Danger attacking. Danger. Aaron. Oh, easy basket by Aaron. From a easy basket. George. Ball. Teardrop. No good. Darwin. Block from behind. Jackson taking Kenny. Jackson, no good. They do the ball will remain with the Black team. 4-point lead, Rivers City Raiders.
Dapat. Bawat pang bola. Pag-jambol, ilagay na. Second half.
Boys, inbound. Jackson. Clear shot. No good.
Go.
Oh, behind the back pass. Darwin! What a congrats. Boys, setting up. Daniel attacking. Daniel to Jackson. Jack on Jackson. Down to George attacking. George to Darwin. Heavily defended Darwin. There you go. Aaron again. Aaron, the tower of power. Dyson coming in for Troy. John coming in for Russian. Happy birthday again, Russian. Daniel attacking. Daniel with the teardrop. Daniel with the 29, 21, 8.3. Ball. No good. Daniel with the rebound. Daniel to Jackson. Kenny, second personal. First team foul, white team. Kenny, second personal. Boys to Jackson attacking. Jackson shooting. Jackson. Oh, no good. Kenny the rebound. Kenny to John to the face. John, no pass to Darwin to ball. Lumayo kayo. Nandito kayong lahat. Kenny, very good. Aaron with the rebound. Jackson again! Too late. Reaction too late. Jackson already goes to the basket. And he blocked the Daniel. Speedy Daniel Jackson with a follow up again. Here we go, Raiders.
Time out mo? Yan ang simula ko.
Kenny!
Yes.
Time! Whitey!
2026 Taco
33-21, 12-point lead in favor of the
Season
River
7,
Raiders.
proudly presented by
River
Taco
Raiders
official
following
training
the
sponsor.
white team.
Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, and community pride as we launch Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco
Dumikit na
Boys.
niya kanina eh.
Taco Boys isn't just
Ano,
sporting
2 points na lang.
they're bringing the flavor, the energy, and the heat.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Kulong nagsabay ka
Every
lang
win tastes better with tacos.
Let's go, let's go!
Kaya mahirap din. Iyan ang sigit na lang, yun ang talagang laro ni Ian. Talagang tempo lang talaga. Sabay tumira, rebound. Pag binigyan siya, tira.
Let's go! Boyd, guarded by Bobo. Boyd, speed by Tyson. Boyd, speed by Aaron. Oh, Aaron, foul from Aaron. Personal Aaron. First team foul. Oh, George in the cross. George, not, left, right, open, not. Aaron in the foul.
Nakita mo, Ian na pagkuha ni Ian. At tinay yun ang sambutin, mapapahal.
Boyd. Oh, another open. Troy, third personal. Take the team foul. Oh, Jackson in the steal. Jackson. Jackson, easy two. 35-21. 14-point lead. Kaya ba yan? Oh, George with the cross. Not. No good. George. Nice hustle by George.
Okay, we got a block on 8 black. We have a technical foul on 8 black.
Na, Adam, yan yung pirma. Nakita niya yung salitaan. Pagka hindi ka.
Boy, second personal.
Sabi ko na yun, basta si Adam mag-referee.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Nothing has changed in the score. 14-point lead still. Boyd! Quick three! Oh! Just rattled it.
No ring there.
Oh! What a shot! Nice boom! 35-33.
Black 8, block 2, up.
Third personal foul, Boyd, warning for penalty, white team. Third personal, 12-point lead, River City Raiders. What a shoot from the free throw line, ball. 11-point lead, River City Raiders, still a double-digit lead. Black team, Jackson setting up, Jackson, Baker almost lost it, and Dyson lost it. And the ball will remain in the black team, Daniel, guarded by George, Daniel with a put-up, Daniel with a shot, another basket from Daniel.
Oh!
15-point lead, River City Raiders. Kenny. Judge. Not, almost lost it. Not. Judge for Kenny. George, the ball. George with the three. Not, again, the rebound. Judge, no good. Kenny again. Ayaw talaga. Hey, run the rebound. Troy to Jackson. Jackson.
Left.
No foul. Aaron. Alright, defense on the right team. John with an easy 41-26 in favor still of the River City Raiders. 15-point lead. Jackson again. And the ball will remain with the black team. Aaron to Dyson guarded with Dyson, quick shot, no good. George with the rebound. George on the way, George! Oh my God! Ang kulang sa Texas. Jackson. No good. Oh, Dyson right to shoot it. Last shot. George. Grabe na, George! Hey! The basket from George! End of the second half! River City Raiders dominating the ball game with a 13-point lead in favor of the black team.
2026.
Still have two
Winter to Spring Basketball
quarters.
League. Season 7.
We can
Proudly
still do
presented
some
by
magic,
Taco Boys,
white
official
team.
title sponsor.
5 minutes.
Get ready for another electrifying season of fast
And
breaks.
again, this ball game is brought to you by our sponsor,
Season
Manila
7 of the
Canal
Winter to Spring
Why?
Basketball League, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco Boys.
Nandito
Taco Boys isn't just supporting the league. They're bringing the flavor, the energy, and the
by our kitchen in favor care of both Pete and Ma'am Jane.
Presenting the 2026 FBL Winter Spring League.
And our main sponsor is Taco Boys Black Gloria ASB Realty Club. Thank you for supporting.
Oh, number 8. Ito ba yung official? Not like another ready to go. And I'm not doing the board. So that's what I need to know. That's right. We'll be out next week too. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Cool. And he's on the second plan still. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And then what is I talked to the referee about that. I asked. I asked everybody. I mean, that's for him. Read it in a year. 17 more. He knows the game. So. Good point. Which, very well good. Because he was played so like no, we put that really good. Oh no. No, that's like a second job. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's very good. He wants 25 again. Oh yeah. Maybe. Not as nifty. No, he will never get over. Yeah. Oh, out there, I have green on here. Got green. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. You're looking out here, call my green. I'm going to be well, I thought I heard you say the black one. And I decided to take it off real quick. After that, I thought.
Hello, sorry guys. Back to the ball game. In favor of the River City Raiders. White team going back to work. Kenny with the fake. Kenny kicking out to George. No good. Kenny with the rebound. Kenny back to George. George with the fake. George heavily defended. Oh, Daniel with the rebound. Oh no, I mean a steal. Daniel attacking to Aaron. And a foul. Not second personal. First team foul, not that. Aaron with the miss. Aaron with another miss. Kenny to George. John to George. George again. Oh, a miss by George. Daniel with a toss. Daniel with a shot. No good. Aaron with a rebound to Troy. Kick out to Daniel. Daniel attacking. Daniel shooting. Daniel converted. 2-point shot from Daniel. Kenny with a fake. Kenny attacking. Kenny. Kick out to no good. Rebounded Jackson. Jackson. And steal. Oh, almost stolen by ball. Ball to the Raiders. Black team. Mark to Troy. Troy to Jackson. Jackson with a spin. Jackson with a fade. Jackson with a miss. And the ball will go to white team. Kenny, quick pull out 3. No good. Daniel attacking, Daniel. Oh my God, Daniel on speed. He run again. Oh my God, the power here. Mark, gonna pull up, Mark. Okay. George to the rebound. George to the cross. George, kick out to the sideline. Miscommunication from the white team. 45, 28, 22 point each. Jackson, the fade again. Jackson! Celebration.
Tambak na.
Ano ba? 21 na? 19? 19 point lead. 19 point lead. And a shot! Good. Kenny! Another basket from Kenny. Jackson! Oh my God! Jackson! What a shot for Jackson! Kenny! And a foul? Troy, 4 fouls. 4-4.
Ilan time out nila kayo?
5.
Ilan time out nila? Wala pa. Ilan ba lang?
Oh, what a cross by Boyd! Boyd to the street! Boyd to the shot! Oh my God! What a shot by Boyd! Hey! The ball with a shot!
Yan ba naman malaki naman ko? Di ka mang gigil eh. Samahan ka ng malas. Dito sila na ano.
Oh, green block! Nice defense by the right team! Kenny! Disaster by Kenny. Nice defense by the right team. Daniel! Keep out! On! And a turnover! Ball! Yeah! Ball!
That's good. Black 10. Over here.
Mark first personal, second team foul. Red team. Fourth quarter, 2. One, yes, it's one timeout from 1 to 3rd quarter. 2 in the 4th. Ball, 3-point play completed. 12-point lead. 12-point lead. Oh, another cross by Boyd. Boyd to the spin. And a foul.
28 white.
That's not 13 foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. White team. That's not 13 foul. Third personal, sorry. Boyd. To Daniel. Moving free. Mark, second personal, 3rd team foul. Ball deep. Ball. Full left. Shot by ball. Timer. Black team. 10-point lead still. River City Raiders. the OT. Thank you. And shout out to Tope. I see you, Tope. Hindi ka pa dyan. Wala ka laro? Wala. And to Tito Richard, congratulations, Tito Richard. Nakakalabas ka pa? Tito Richard.
Pag nag-run, wag mo na.
Black team have no more timeouts. White team, you have one timeout, huh? White team. White team, boy! That's a shot by Boy! Kenny, heavily dependent, Kenny. Rush it! Boom, play up, boom! They jump the rebound. Boy, try to rush it. Boy! Oh my God, no good. Rush it. First, rush it. 13 foul, White team. 13 foul, White team. Boy, number 2. Yes, sir.
Momentum na sana kanina. Biglang nawala.
And the ball will go to the right team. 1 of 2 from the free throw line. Boy. Steady with the pull up 3. Steady. Oh, too strong. Mark to the rebound. Xavier. They give it across. Oh my God. One second personnel waiting for penalty. White team. 1 for penalty. White team.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Stop time.
No, fourth quarter
yun. Fourth quarter.
It's only the fourth quarter.
Just the
Fourth quarter
quarter,
stop time.
last 2
First
minutes
3
stop
quarters
time.
are all. First 3 quarters are straight time the whole way. We don't stop at all.
Boys, looking for some on the pass. Boys, to Jackson, go to the Kenny. Jackson, to Aaron, lost it. Miscommunication. George, Kenny, to Bombo again. Favorite shot. Ilan lang? 11 point lead. By Boyd again. Boyd with a fade. Boyd with a miss. John, penalty. Hold the shot. They were wearing penalty. 5. White team already on penalty. Hold the shot. Aaron! Yes, sir. Yes, sir! 2 of 2 from the free throw line. And rest.
Break the ball!
Happy birthday, Roshan! First basket of the ball game, Roshan! Taken to Jackson. Almost lost it. And Teddy to Roshan again!
Break the ball!
Back-to-back basket by Roshan! Power of King Lee!
Flash shot!
Shoot it! And that is the end of the third quarter.
Last 2 minutes per second.
Still a long way to go for the white team. Ano overtime ba tayo tayo friends? Okay, overtime na tayo. So we should be
Taco Boys,
starting
Winter to Spring
from
Basketball
the sports
Season
unit.
7, proudly presented by Taco Boys, official title sponsor. Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, and community pride as we launch Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Taco Boys isn't just supporting the league. They're bringing the flavor, the energy,
Reminder, fourth quarter! Fourth quarter! Both teams have 2 timeouts. Shot clock. Last 5 minutes. Shot clock. Last 5 minutes. Shot clock. Jackson again. Jackson kicking out the boys. Boys attacking. Boys spinning. Boys shooting. And boys dropping on the floor. Careful, guys. Careful, careful. Careful, careful, guys.
Map, andun sa labas.
Ref, we need a mop. All good? All good? Yes, sir. Thank you. Careful, guys. Careful. Kenny, kick out to George. George, left, right, out to George. Oh, my God. All good. Side search the rebound. Side search the Jackson. Jackson. Whoa. Oh. And a foul.
White zero, hold near.
Third personal foul, third foul, third personal foul, first team foul, white team. Jackson again. Tatlo. Jackson again, 2 of 3 from the free throw line. Ayaw talaga. Daniel, going strong.
31 white.
George, third personal, George, second team foul, white team. Daniel.
Dalawa pa lang.
I got you back here.
2 of 2 from the free throw line, Daniel.
Ball zero. Three got.
Kenny to the step. To George. Oh, nice defense by the black team. Dyson. All the way, Dyson. Long defense from the white team. No defense from the white team. Basket by Dyson. Kenny trying to shake Jackson. And, oh my God! Para talaga. Daniel.
White back. 1, 2, 7.
Fourth personal foul, third team.
Bonga, first personal, Whiting, third personal, third team foul, Whiting. Third team foul, Whiting, Whiting, Bongo.
Big 10 third with the past 3 fouls.
Tapos limador tong puti na to.
Yes, sir! Daniel again. Kenny with a pull-up 3. Kenny, yes, sir! 3-point shot by Kenny. Number 5. 14-point lead, River City Raiders. Back to a double-digit lead. Daniel trying to take George pulling up and oh my God, Daniel! Somebody guard this guy!
Isa.
Five. Thanks, Bongbong. Warning for penalty! Warning for penalty! White team! Warning for penalty! White team! Bongbong has left the building. Jackson with a feet. No good. Getting the rebound. Kenny again! Back-to-back three from Kenny. Kenny keeping the ball game alive for the white team. Boy! Hold the shot. White team already on penalty. White team on penalty. Darwin, first personal.
Ayun lang, penalty na sila. Okay lang yun, may next time.
What a shoot from the free throw line, Boyd.
Pag pumutok ng score tonight ni Darwin, hindi yari yan.
Kenny again! Kenny keeping the ball game alive. Kenny up the cross. Kenny up the stick. Kenny trying to take Jordan. Nice defense by Jordan. Oh, but he's the home. Nice hustle by George. Nice hustle by George. George to Darwin in the way. Darwin. Boyd trying to take that. Nice handling by Boyd. Boyd. Oh. Nice defense for the white team. John, I got this. John. For the two. Wait, 10 point lead. 10 point lead for City Raiders. Daniel. Oh my God, Daniel.
Ayan na naman.
Daniel, another two. Daniel, another two, and the ball will go to the black team. 12 point lead, River City Raiders. Troy, no good. Troy for the rebound. And a foul. Warning, Boyd, fourth personal Boyd. First team foul. Raiders. Kenny, attacking. Kenny. No good. Black team. Boyd and a foul.
Penalty.
Kenny, third personal, white team still penalty. Reminder, both teams have 2 timeouts. Troy, first last is good. Yes, sir. 2 of 2 from the free throw line. 2 more. Knock. Jordan. Looking for someone to pass. Found Kenny. Squeezing in. Oh, and a shot again by Boyd. Another shot by Boyd. Just a reminder, both teams have 2 timeouts. And next ball game, reminder guys, next ball game, our Tito team, Capital City Ballers versus the Simple Guys.
Match to.
Diba, do or die sila, diba?
Hindi ko ba alam, si JR na yung may
Di ba, Day? Pareho sila wala pang panalo eh.
Hindi, yung ano. Wala pang status.
Kenny with the boss, Kenny with the shot. Kenny, and then
Wala talo nung ano eh. Pareho sila sa panalo.
Time out.
Diamond! Whoa, right team! And again, before the you guys have the boys, guys are Lori from ESP Realty, Vital Kitchen, 8140 Halifax, as of the process. And it's your Adverso. And I want to thank everyone who came in tonight to support their own team. Thank you, of course, supporting the league. And again, next game, Capital City Ballers versus the Blue Eyes. Let's go, guys! Let's go!
I got you.
Thank you. Daniel trying to take George Daniel in the fifth. Daniel found her. Well, Dyson, pick up Jackson from downtown Jackson. No good. George with the rebound. George coming in. Foul John. Parang lumipat siya ng John with a shot. Where's White team?
Kala ko nababalik nila nung kanina.
Oh, boys, left, right, open, boys! No defense from the white team! George with an answer! George so good! Not to the rebound. Not with a foul. Daniel, second personal. Second team foul. Second team foul. Black team. Reminder, guys, we have a 24 second shot clock. 24 second shot clock. 24 second shot clock.
I'll hit it on 16.
You can hit it up to 15. Not 1 or 2 from the free throw line. Roy. Jackson to the base. Tyson to the ball. Wow, Tyson! Where did you come from, man? No one saw you. And another turnover by the white team. 3 minutes, 49 seconds remaining on the last quarter. Boyd again, Boyd! And a foul! Darwin, second personal, white team still on penalty. Boyd, 1-2. Oh, Boyd missed both free throw shots. Not. I thought it was not in the screen. Rushing! No good. George tries to take the ball, but it will go back to the black. Daniel. Miscommunication, Darwin, caught it. George! And a foul! Daniel, third personal, 13 foul, black team, George going for 2. Gamit na gamit si George ah. Para di ko nakita nila pa si George. Gamit na gamit si George. George, ikaw na George. Yes sir, what a two from the free throw line to George. Dyson, what a feed from Dyson! Oh my God! Praise God, Dyson! Dyson to win. Not right to say Daniel. Not. Right to say everyone. Not. Oh my God! Not with an answer! And Jackson, another two. George! Wild shot by George. Jackson to Boyd. Boyd again. John with an answer. 83-67. Daniel again. Daniel and a foul.
White, 28.
Warning for warning, not that with four personal fouls. Daniel again. And again, no good. One of two for the free throw line, Daniel. Not that again with the shot. Daniel again. Oh, no good. Oh, rebound by George. George again. George. Yes, sir. What do you want to see my shot? The white team keeping the ball game alive. Never say die. Team 5. Ay, George.
Stop.
Substitution.
Nasandalan doon.
Ano pa muna pa si George? George, pre. Hindi ka nagpapasab, ah. Ano naman si George? Roy, what a two! Boyd again! Oh! Not. Keeping the ball game alive. Not. Another basket by Not. Daniel from the corner. Daniel, no good. Not again! Never say die. Team 5. Another basket by Boyd. And a reminder, next ball game, Capital City Ballers versus the Simple Guys. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Bravo Boys. That's it. That is the end of the ball game. That's the end of the ball game.
88-77.
River City Raiders dominating the ball game. And nice run by you guys take from both teams?
What happened to the light?
They just paid them yesterday.
It's a Friday, yeah.
No, Friday, yeah.
Hey, you try all four of them?
I set on the right.
Yeah. Well, that's in one of them.
I did.
Player of the fourth quarter. Boys, you come have Brand.
Just the fourth quarter? No, the player for D is you, actually. Yeah.
Dino! What's up, man?
All my guys got canceled the last 2 weeks. Yeah, you can pay for D. I don't know who put it.
Because the roads are terrible in there. And it's tier 7.
13. Hey, yeah.
You had to press the on and off. I started on the left, I worked my way over. I did the Z.
Top one.
Yeah.
Because the bottom right one, what's that?
Yeah. It's weird though. Like, I was there for a couple hours to shut off.
Must be a timer because maybe it might be right in front of that.
I know the ones we haven't worked with.
Right.
That's my